Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a holiday makeup look. I want to do like every Friday up to like New Year's, do a holiday makeup look. I did get this series type from Deborah. I'll link her channel down below. But today I'll be using the Violet Voss Berry Burst. Before we get started with this video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed and you're coming back, welcome back as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my videos, leave me comments. Let's get to talking down in the comments. I always try to write back. I always write back. And yeah, let's get this video started. Okay, so I already did my whole makeup. I'm just gonna mostly focus on my eyes. It's pretty much the same steps that I do from what you've seen in my last couple of videos, so I kind of just skip that part. Alrighty, so let's start with our makeup, and I'm gonna start with this color right here, and I'm gonna apply that on my crease. I think I want to go for like a halo type of look. I've never done one of those, so that's what I'm going to go for today. Alrighty, so the next color I'm going to go in with is this color right here, and I'm going to apply that kind of like my outer corner and my inner corner and around my crease. And I'm going to use this fluffy brush right here. I'm not going to apply too much because I don't want to like mess up. Okay, so I'm actually gonna get this like shader brush and instead of the other one, because the other one's too fluffy and I really don't want to mess up. So I'll apply that on my outer crease and like my inner corner as well. Kind of want to leave the middle open. So I'm gonna get this other brush, and this is a Morphe M330, and I'm kind of trying to blend everything out. I'm gonna go in with this color right here to make it deeper. Okay, so I'm going to go back with the same color I used for my crease to blend out my edges here. I feel like I need more color. I'm scared. Alright, so I'm going to use this shader brush. I'm going to apply this color right in the center of my eye. And I'm going to blend these colors out. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing I did to this eye to my other eye, and we'll be right back. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and take these two, mix these two and apply to like my bottom eyelashes. Alright, so I'm also going to water my waterline, and I'm going to use the Tarte's Burgundy. I'll apply that to my waterline. Okay, so next step is I'm going to curl my lashes and put mascara and some falsies, and I'll be right back. And now for my lips, I am going to go ahead and use the Tarte's lip paint in the color Bling.